Okay, good morning. It's the day after Labor Day, and I prepared a bed here to plant some fall vegetables that I started from seed a couple of weeks ago. So in this first bed here, I have spinach, and I'll move it over here where I have some fertilizer mixed. Then next to it, I have some broccoli rab, and then this one here is kale. And then this one here is overwinter cabbage. On the other side, I have butter crunch lettuce. Then I have early cabbage and some more spinach. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some spoon transplanting. And I'll get my spoons here. And what I'll do is I'll move... What I'll do is I'll move these transplants out into this bed here that I prepared, and then we'll take it from there. So it's a nice cloudy day, and looks like it's going to be mild weather for the next few days or so. So these transplants ought to succeed pretty well.